Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If this is the first time you're watching the channel or tuning in, just to let you know that you're welcome. Thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect peanut porridge. So I'll take you through the process. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Do leave a positive comment. See you soon. So first of all, to make this delicious and beautiful peanut porridge, I'm going to take you through the recipe and what you need. Here I have some Himalayan salt. Here I have a bit of ground nutmeg, cinnamon. It's optional, but you'll see what I'll do with it. Here we have some vanilla, some peanut with the skin on, rolled oats, and in this we have some sweetened condensed milk. In this one here we have some coconut milk, and here I have some cinnamon stick, nutmeg. I have the water here, the amount of water I'm going to use, and also you need a whisk also. And on this side you need a pan. So take you through the process. So now I'm going to add about a pint of water in this. So the first thing I'm going to add to the water is my pink Himalayan salt. So the salt in, and the second thing, coconut milk. The third thing, cinnamon stick. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to let this come to a boil, and I'm going to go back over here and show you how to blend the oats and the peanuts. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the oats and the peanut in this to blend. So I'm going to add the peanut in, and the oats. So now, to help the blending process, I'm going to add a bit more water to this. Pop the lid on. This is ready, so we're going to go over back and pour it in our hot liquid. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove the cinnamon stick. Then I'm going to add some powdered cinnamon and nutmeg in it. At this point, I'm going to add my vanilla in. So now the blended mixture, and this is what it looked like. We're going to go ahead and pour this in. So do remember just to constant stir it, because you don't want it to be lumped up. As you can see, start to thicken. So this all almost finished. So what I'm going to do, as soon as I turn the gas off, I'm going to grate some fresh nutmeg in it. just to trap that flavor and give it that extra spice and boots. So now I'm going to turn the gas off, and then I'm going to get some fresh nutmeg. And I'm going to finish this off. This is some evaporated milk I'm adding. So now I'm going to go in with the sweetened condensed milk. So now your porridge is ready. You just get your bowl that you desire to put it in. Ladies and gentlemen, please do remember to subscribe and leave positive comment. So now porridge is ready. So we're just gonna pour it straight in the bowl.